stood in a grocery store staring at two bags of flour, wondering which one is actually the better deal? It's a classic puzzle. One is 500 grams, the other is 1.2 kilograms. The prices are different. How do you decide? The secret isn't a coupon. It's a simple, powerful rule. Make the units uniform. You can't compare grams to kilograms directly, so first convert everything to grams. Then use the Smart Shopper's secret weapon, unit pricing. Just divide the price by the mass. The lower number wins. In our flour example, that 1.2 kilogram bag is cheaper per gram. This same logic scales up dramatically. Think about a truck loaded with cargo approaching a bridge with a 15-ton weight limit. The truck itself weighs 6.5 tons. The cargo is 8,000 kilograms. Can it cross? First, convert that cargo to 8 tons. Add the truck's own weight, what's called its tare weight, and you get 14.5 tons. It's just under the limit. The math says it's safe. And this thinking scales down too, to a level of incredible precision. In a science lab, the difference of a few milligrams in a medicine tablet can be critical. The total mass of a pill, its active ingredient, its filler, its coating, is calculated with absolute precision. 20 drops of a liquid medicine might be needed to make a single gram. From the supermarket to the shipping yard to the pharmacy, the principles are the same. Standardize your units, understand the question, whether it's finding the best value or ensuring safety, and let the numbers guide you. It's not just classroom math, it's a toolkit for making smarter, safer decisions every single day.